And get my picture in there, so if you take a picture, I will be in your picture. So 1 through 16, 2 points each. I give you an equation, you sketch the graph. 16, 30, 32, vice versa. I give you the graph, you give me the equation. No flashbacks. Sorry, smiley face, right? Like you didn't want any flashbacks. 10 multiple choice questions. Some of those pretty straightforward. Some of those AP style. In my mind, the AP style multiple choice questions are the hardest part of the test, because 1 through 32 is very straightforward. That's just like worksheet 2 and 3. You want to attach that to it. And then the 2 free response questions, those are pretty simple because that's intersections of polar curves. You don't have a calculator, and you do have a picture. So you could probably answer those questions just looking at the picture, right? You just look at, well, it looks like it's right there, and maybe that's 2 pi over 3, so we're good, 2 pi over 3, or pi over 3 from your perspective. I still want to see the work, but I don't anticipate those being difficult. Again, it's those AP type questions on multiple choice. That's where the tricky ones are. But there's not a ton of those, so I feel like this is a very straightforward test. I would say this on 1 through 32. For some people, it might be better to do 16 through 32 first, so that you're looking at the picture, and it's getting those pictures in your brain. What does a rose look like? What does a limaçon look like? What does a circle look like? And then go back and you do the picture. I don't know, maybe... Probably depends on like some weird thing about how your brain works as to which one you should do first. But I'll throw it out there that some of you should probably do 16 through 32 first, and then go back and do 1 through 16. Your graphs will probably look better if you stare at 16 good, calculator style graphs, and then you do your own. But I'll leave it up to you. I'll try to remember to say that on block day, that some of you may want to do that section first. Any questions on the test outline? I guess I would add that the AP review questions, the worksheet 6, does not, it covers lots of good stuff, but it does not, word for word. Your best bet on 1 through 32 is worksheet 2 and 3. Those free response questions for intersections, that was worksheet 5. So, I guess as always, make sure you've done all the worksheets, and I think you'll be fine.